you can have access to a tool that gives you the ability to find numbers on stocks, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, support and resistance numbers that will boggle your mind. Let's first take a case in point. Everybody knows Apple. We're going to find some important numbers in Apple. Now we're looking at what I call my magic calculator. All it's asking is an important pivot high or important pivot low. Let's go find one in Apple. Let's use this important high at 237.23. We plug the number into the magic calculator, hit calculate, and magically it comes out with a list of support numbers. Now let's take a look at some important areas where Apple had a nice tradable bounce, thinking in terms of either an intraday trade or a swing trade. The low represented here is 214.62. You come over to the output from the calculator and you can see here 214.69. The blue line represents 214.69, the magic calculator output. Here's what it looks like on an hourly chart from an intraday perspective. So whether you're a scalp trader, day trader, swing trader, you can see the benefit of having the magic calculator, can't you? Back to the daily chart. What about this area down here? We would have liked to know an important number around here, wouldn't we? Well, ironically enough, the magic calculator has a number around a big fat round number of 200.29, and she spiked it through and ripped it back up in the other direction. But where did she spike it through to? Well, if you put everything together, all the stuff that I've been teaching for years in all my courses, the current one being the MSF Masterclass series, we gain an understanding of how to either to create a zone of support and also where the next nearest important number would be or normally is. The magic calculator is used in conjunction with the whole gamut of what I've been teaching for years. It's the last puzzle piece. What about Amazon? Let's use another example. Let's find an important pivot high, like right here, and feed it into the system. 201.20 is the high. 201.20 is the pivot high. We hit calculate. We come out with a series of numbers. Let's focus on 154.62. As you can see, 154.62 was the calculator number, and that happened to be an important area and coinciding with other things that are taught in the course, masterclass series, in the videos at night, in the room, the live room each and every day. We start to build a full stack. This magic calculator is another tool in the toolbox. The final piece to the puzzle. What happens if you flip it on its head? Does it work for shorts? Of course it does. Take this important pivot low, comes in at 38.96. We pop it into the magic calculator, hit calculate. We're focused on 48.89. This is what it looks like on the same weekly chart. You see the blue line at 48.89. This is stretched out to a daily chart. You can see what happened the day they got there. The opening print, 48.87. Closing print, 48.75. Went a little above, came right back down. Went back to it, came back down. Must be an important place. Good to know. Were there other reasons why she stopped dead there for a potential short opportunity or a potential exit on a long? And the answer is yes, taught in all my courses every single morning and every single night. Putting it all together, the magic calculator is the last piece to the puzzle. Get the numbers. It's offered as part of the MSF Masterclass series. Traders that enroll in that series get access, unlimited access to the calculator. It is also sold as a standalone product. You need to give it a try. There's nothing to lose by taking a look at it and giving it a try. Click the link below. Give this thing a try. It's the magic calculator. Give yourself a chance to play around with it for a few days. The magic calculator. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate everybody. I'm David Frost, My Strategic Forecast.